What's up, guys? Typewriter Gamer here. Today we are going to be destroying the bridge. I'm gonna restart the game, restart this, and then we're gonna destroy the bridge. And I'll do another map after. Doggo. I'm sorry, Doggo. I did not mean to hit you. So, we're here at the bridge with the train. I'm lagging. It's never lagged before. Oh my gosh. I'm super laggy. I have to very much so make sure I don't hit those. Alright, so first, what should I destroy it with? Oh yeah, also, if you want to see more teardown, you know, let's do tornado. Let's do a tornado. See how a tornado does. Doggo! Get over here. We gotta go. Doggo, we gotta go. Oh no, I lost Doggo! Doggo, let's go. It's coming. Oh, the train might get sucked up in a tornado. The train's like already breaking. Let's go. Tornado's right there. Let's look through the view of the attack drone. I'm not sure how I'm not getting sucked up. Am I in the water? Okay. Can the tornado go away? I'm not really sure how to configure the tornado. Oh, here we go. Oh my god! The tornado! Oh my god! That was crazy. Where'd the doggo go? No, is doggo dead? No, he's still alive. I think he got sucked up though. He's okay. I think. I really hope he's okay. Alright, we're gonna go into a different map. See how a tornado does in Walmart. So we're in Walmart. Can I just spawn the tornado using the tornado options? Oh yeah, I can. Very good. I don't want to use the tornado controller. Where's a good place I could hide? If the tornado doesn't kill me. Would this be a good spot? Oh yeah, the back room. Oh, yeah, this would be a perfect place to hide. Okay, doggo. We're gonna close the door. Close the door! Okay, board the thing though. Door, move, doggo! Oh, oh. That did not work, did it? Doggo, we're gonna be safe, don't worry. No, they're breaking. That'll work. Yeah, that'll work. Doggo, we're gonna survive. So we're gonna do speed 20. We'll do everything. Yeah. Alright. And get me out of this menu. Hell. Help me. The game's like freezing. Okay, doggo. We'll be safe in here. Don't worry, doggo. Perfect. Said frick. Okay. Doggo. Doggo, I hear it. Doggo, it's outside. They run. Doggo, run! 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 Oh no, we're gonna die. No, we're not. He's just following me. Doggo! Come here. Come on, doggo. Please. I need you to stay here. Oh, it's right there. Wait, is that thing on fire? Oh crap. Doggo! Get back! Doggo, stay here. Doggo. Okay, I think that's good. Doggo, I think we survived. Some tornadoes over. You gotta go at this door, doggo. Oh my goodness. Doggo, look at what happened to Walmart. Doggo, where are you? Jeff. Jeffy. Come on, Jeff. Let's go, Jeff. Wow, that's actually crazy. What the heck happened here? Like something happened. Oh, it's on fire. I think that's gonna wrap it up for today, guys. Hope you guys have an amazing week or day or whatever, and we will be back tomorrow. Oh yeah, like and subscribe for more content like this, and peace out. Goodbye.